We've just pulled up to our first stop at Elmer's Bottle Tree Ranch.
About 2 months ago, Elmer himself passed away. I was really looking forward to getting in and having a chat with him about his bizarre art show he's presented.
It's really fascinating. I'm impressed at the amount of bottles he's collected and just retro bits of metal.
It's real cool. Let's go check it out. It's not worth it. Huh? It's not worth it. It's so hot, hey?
The air feels really good.
Yeah, absolutely. Keep it up. Likewise. See you guys. We just pulled over for about 20 minutes taking some videos and photos of a Route 66 sign painted on the ground. Pretty dangerous, it turns out. Just a constant flow of cars every, what, 10-15 seconds or so?
Yeah, you got a decent enough break to get some photos, but
yeah, we got some. We got some. Now we're just driving. We've got, what, 3 hours? 3 hours on our way to Oatman. Little ghost town, lots of donkeys around, I reckon. Boot it. About 6:30 p.m. and we've arrived in Oatman, a ghost town, and this, I know for a fact, is far more lively than it is right now. We've got the whole place to ourselves.
and it's beautiful.
Completely empty, a couple of burrows. Olive Oatman, that's who this whole little mining town's named after. At our first Walmart experience, picked up some supplies to have a picnic. Time to go to the Grand Canyon.
Let's go.
At the Grand Canyon, had a picnic. Now we're going to make our way to one of the trails. Haven't decided that yet. Find out. most of the shots are from Mathers Point. It's basically the first one and the most easily accessible. Pretty much park at the visitor centre.
It's like a 5-minute walk. It's not too far away.
Yeah.
Easy to get to and lots of viewing points.
It's the part of the canyon you don't get seen in all the photos. Super popular, as you can expect. Tourists everywhere, like us. It just keeps going. So deep. Here's another strange motel experience in Flagstaff, Arizona. Cars down there, which is nice. Next to some cars with no body panels. This is the bathroom.
What is it?
That's so weird. I think we'll be leaving that locked.
We're just leaving Flagstaff and heading for Horseshoe Bend now.
This is the car park at Horseshoe Bend. $10 US per car to get in, over at the gate, over there. Straight into a walk.
Straight uphill.
Straight up there. Anymore. So, this will be half the time. You can see it from here on your way down. Pretty comfortable walk so far. Can't complain about the ease or difficulty of the walk, can you? But you will.
I will.
It's so windy. There's people everywhere. Almost there. What? That was incredible.
Amazing views. Definitely worth the walk down.
One of the best things yet.
Yeah.
Now for the walk back. Predicted 25 minutes.
Yeah, I doubt it. We take 15.
Let's overtake. This is the easy part.